Think about the last time you tried to send money online. The waiting, the fees, the frustration. Now imagine a world where financial systems move at the speed of a tweet, where apps aren't controlled by corporations. You are. This is Web3. And the blockchain powering this revolution? Solana. Fast, affordable, and built for the future. First, let's talk about Web3. The internet's evolution has three acts. Web 1, read-only, basic websites. Web 2, read-write, social media giants, convenient, but they own your data. Web 3, read-write-own. Built on blockchain, it's decentralized. No more middlemen taking cuts or selling your privacy. Web 3 lets creators earn directly from fans. Imagine a musician in Nigeria selling albums as NFTs to fans in New York, without Spotify taking 30%. It lets freelancers get paid globally in seconds, not waiting days for PayPal to clear. But here's the catch. Most blockchains can't handle this scale. Ethereum, the pioneer, processes 15 transactions per second. Visa does 24,000. If Web3 is the future, we need a blockchain that's ready for the future. Enter Solana. So, how does Solana achieve 65,000 transactions per second? Let's geek out for a minute. 1. Proof of history. POH. Think of it as a cryptographic clock. Every transaction gets a timestamp, so validators don't waste time arguing over order. 2. Turbine protocol. Solana breaks data into tiny packets, like streaming a Netflix show. No bottlenecks. 3. Sea-level parallel smart contracts. Unlike Ethereum's single-threaded system, Solana processes contracts simultaneously. It's like upgrading from a scooter to a bullet train. Here's the kicker. Solana's average fee is 0.000025. Sending 1 million costs less than a penny. Try that with your bank. They'd charge $50 and take 3 days. Let's get practical. What can you actually do on Solana? NFTs. Marketplaces like Magic Eden let artists earn 100% royalties. Take Sarah, a digital artist. She made $10,000 in a week minting NFTs with no gas fee nightmares. DeFi. Swap tokens on Radium, a decentralized exchange as smooth as Robinhood, but you hold the keys. No KYC, no delays. Web 3. Social apps like Dialect are reinventing messaging. Imagine sending crypto or NFTs in a chat with your data staying yours. Even staking is effortless. Meet Alex, a college student. He stakes his SOL tokens, helps secure the network, and earns 5 to 7% annual rewards. It's passive income without the Wall Street brokers. Now let's address the critics. Solana has faced network outages, 7 in 2022 alone. Why? Its speed comes from cutting-edge tech, which also means growing pains. Spam bots overloaded the system, and validators struggled to keep up. But here's the twist. Solana's team fixes issues fast. Upgrades like Queck, a Google-born protocol for efficient data flow, and stake-weighted QoS, prioritizing real users over bots, are tackling these issues. Is Solana perfect? No, but it's improving faster than any competitor. Ready to join the revolution? Here's how. 1. Get a wallet. Phantom or Solflare, both user-friendly and secure. 2. Buy Sol. Use Coinbase, Binance, or swap directly in your wallet. 3. Explore. Dive into StepN for Move to Earn Fitness or Metaplex to create NFTs in minutes. For developers, Solana's ecosystem fund has $100 million plus for grants. Build a DeFi app, a game, or something the world hasn't seen yet. This is your playground. Today. Web3 isn't just about technology, it's about empowerment. Solana's speed and low fees make it the perfect launchpad. The internet of the future isn't owned by Silicon Valley, it's owned by you. So, what will you build?